Hi, my name's Maria. I put new videos up every week, so hit that subscribe button now to get quick tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. Are you having some cravings for something salty, but you're trying to stay healthy too? Well, I usually have a sweet tooth, but every once in a while I want something with a salty or savory flavor to it. So I've found some great snack ideas for you today, and I hope you'll give them a try and let me know what you think. The first one is my newest replacement for potato chips. I like to eat a healthy wrap or a sandwich for lunch, and instead of fatty, high-calorie chips, I have these Pea Snaps. I find them at Target in the fruit and vegetable section, although they're not refrigerated. They're made from whole green peas, which sounds kind of gross, but I promise they're really tasty. They have a puffy Cheeto-type texture, and they're light and airy and crunchy and salty. They have a lot of great flavors like Caesar, tomato basil, black pepper, habanero, and white cheddar. The ingredients are green peas, vegetable oil, rice, salt, calcium carbonate, and vitamin C. You can eat 22 of these for only 120 calories, so not too bad on the ingredients, and the calories aren't too bad either. Crunchy chickpeas are another potato replacement that I've found recently. These from the Saffron Road brand are really good in the sea salt flavor. They have some other flavors too, some are more spicy. The ingredients are organic chickpeas, organic canola and sunflower oil, sea salt, rosemary, and ascorbic acid. They're very crunchy and they're 130 calories. I've seen several brands lately with these dried cheese crackers. I guess with the low carb and keto craze going, they're in demand. But they're these little crunchy cheese snacks. This one's from Sonoma Creamery, and they're called Mr. Cheezos. They're in the cheddar flavor, but I've seen others like in Parmesan or white cheddar as well. They're very hard and crunchy, and they have a strong cheese flavor. The main reason for that is that their first ingredient is cheese. They also have organic quinoa in there, organic oat bran, brown rice, and garlic. So very simple ingredients, and it's something that you can just throw in your bag with you, and you'll have a quick snack that's filled with 10 grams of protein. Another way that I like to use these is to top a salad, and then you can replace your bread on your salad with, instead of croutons, you're using just cheese. Another favorite are these rice crackers. They're from Whole Foods, and these are in the everything bagel flavor. But they have a lot of other different brands, and there's other flavors that you can get. I've seen brown rice ones, garlic, cheese flavored ones. So there's a lot of options. They're round and crunchy, and I like to top them with some cheese. And what I love about these is for 16 of them, it's only 120 calories. So if you're feeling snacky, you can just keep going and you don't feel too bad about the calories. Plus, since they're low in calories, you don't have to feel bad adding cheese on top either. A couple other ideas is to just scoop out an avocado and put some salt on it, and then use veggies or crackers to dip into the avocado. It's a lot of calories, but it is a healthy fat, and it'll keep you full for a really long time if you're needing a more substantial snack. You could also just grab some hummus and use that as a dip. The Sabra brand has a lot of different flavors like roasted red pepper, pine nut, spinach, and artichoke, but my personal favorite is the roasted garlic. It has little pieces of garlic in there, so when you get a scoop with one of those, it makes it super tasty. So those were some of my favorite salty, savory snacks. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a happy day.